Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to enable RCS Chat features in Google Messages. So, to do that, open Google Messages. Tap on your user profile icon in the top right. Select Messages Settings. Next, choose the Chat Features option. Enable chat features by turning on the toggle. Press the Verify Your Number button. Type out your number and tap Verify Now. It may take several minutes for Google Messages to verify your phone number, but once it's complete, your status should change from Setting Up to Connected. Then, when you message someone else who also has RCS enabled, the chat will automatically offer the enhanced messaging experience.